Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today is your first time, please subscribe. So if you're using a Lexus IS250 or IS350 and you are getting a code P0175, that's a link code, this is how you get it fixed. I've had that issue like more than 3 times, and this is how I've always had the problem fixed. The first thing you should do is to locate your mass airflow sensor. You already know where it is. Clean the your mass airflow sensor. That's the first thing you do. Then after cleaning your mass airflow sensor, please go to your fuel lines, remove your fuel pump and your fuel filter, clean them properly before installing them. If it's possible, buy another fuel filter, or you can buy another new one and replace with the old one. Or if you're not able to buy another one, depending on wherever the problem occurred, you can just clean it up. And while cleaning your fuel lines, though that place in the fuel system, in the fuel lines where that filtered products are stored, please ensure that you clean it very properly. Those filtered products, ensure that you clean that places very well, so that you stop having that code. Anytime I have that link code, that P0175, I already know that the problem is not even from my mass airflow sensor, but it's from my fuel lines. What I do, I'll just whenever I have the chance, I'll just clean up the area, the place, remove my battery, and I will not have the code again. So if you're having this code, this is what you do, and you thank me later. Please subscribe. Thank you.